Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to pasteurize eggs. I got these steps from Video Culinary and Baking Bites, links in the description. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell for notifications, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment, share on all your social media, do everything you can to get this video out there. It'd be awesome. Thank you guys. My birthday just passed. Here's what you'll need. Obviously, a couple of chicken embryos, aka eggs, preferably 3 or more. A thermometer, a pan to heat them in. Cold water from your faucet. You don't need a refrigerator or nothing. First, bring your eggs to room temperature by letting them set out on the counter for half an hour. And then after that, heat them up to 140 degrees and hold it there for 3 minutes, but don't go over 142 degrees because you'll end up cooking them. And once you're done there, pour cold water over those little embryos to cool them all down. Pat those suckers nice and dry. And then put them in a container or a plastic bag. And you know what? It's a good thing I didn't make that fourth one that you guys saw earlier, because all my lids have gone missing and I couldn't find my bags anywhere. So yeah, I could barely fit 3 in this one. And lastly, place in your refrigerator until you're ready to use them. And that's all I got for you guys tonight. Obviously, I'm not going to taste test the raw egg because I'm going to use them for another video. So, do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to make YouTube videos, just have fun with them. If you're going to do art, just have fun with them. Not that YouTube videos can't be art. If you're going to work, in the postal service, just have fun with it. If you're going to do any job that you love, that you want to do, just have fun with it. You only live once. Just have fun with it. So, have a great night, everyone.